Apple making headlines again as the FBI unlocks the iPhone of one of the San Bernardino shooters without Apple's help. There's also expectations Apple will boost its buyback program by $40 to $50 billion and raise its dividend by 10 to 15% when it provides an update to its capital allocation plan on April the 25th. As to the shares, well, having declined over 14% over the last 12 months, what next?
The risk is now that Apple shares start to fade along with the broader market. They rallied significantly from those mid-February lows, but really not on much fundamental news. We've had that FBI case going on, which that appears to be resolving, but we've also had the new product, and that, again, hasn't really inspired the market. So with earnings season still yet to really dawn and Apple's earnings further away than that, we could see more weakness here as we head into the beginning of the new quarter. If we do turn consistently lower from here and go back towards $100 a share, that's the first area to watch. Everyone loves that big round number. And then it's that blue line at the bottom there, that's around $92.50. That was the low in January, the low in February, and crucially back to the low in August as well. So if you do get a more significant unwind in the share price, that's your first area to watch. Any breakout needs to get through this descending trend line that's been in place since July of last year. So we need to see significant price action above $110 and ideally above that 200-day moving average above $112. Then that takes us on the next target really we're watching would be up towards this level already, $123 and thereabouts, and potentially even up through there, $133, that July high in the share price.
The dollar also playing a key role in Apple's share price. So is Apple in for a dollar bonus?
Well, we've had some recent hawkish commentary from Fed policymakers that suggest they might even go for a rate hike in April, but that gave us a few days of dollar strength. That appears to be fading as we head into the end of March. So the chart shows us we can see this steady descending trend that's been in place since the beginning of the month. And really that's your high from the end of January. There's your spike into the beginning of March, and that we're just moving further away from that, I think. So your first areas to watch on the downside, key support around about 94 on the dollar index. That's your definite area to watch. If that breaks, it's almost a lookout below moment because we've got a little bit of support at 92.60. Otherwise, and again, it's the round numbers coming through. The 90 level is probably the next area to watch for the dollar on the downside.
Apple shares may be down over the last 12 months, but analysts still very bullish. 41 buys, 6 holds, 2 sells, with an average 12-month price target of $133.69.